Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to Koinly, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Koinly, a comprehensive crypto tax solution. Koinly is a robust platform specifically designed to simplify the often daunting task of managing cryptocurrency taxes. Whether you're a casual investor, an active trader, or even a tax professional, Koinly offers a streamlined solution for accurately calculating and reporting taxes on your crypto gains and losses. One of Koinly's most compelling features is its seamless integration with over 600 exchanges, wallets, and DeFi platforms. This automatic import of transaction data significantly reduces the burden of manually tracking trades across multiple platforms, making tax reporting a breeze. This is particularly valuable for users engaged in more complex crypto activities such as staking and yield farming. The platform automatically calculates crucial tax information, including capital gains, losses, income, and other relevant tax events, providing a comprehensive overview of your crypto portfolio. Koinly caters to a global user base with support for tax reports tailored to over 20 countries. This ensures compliance with specific tax reporting requirements regardless of your jurisdiction. Whether for personal or business use, Koinly generates customized reports in formats accepted by tax authorities worldwide, including IRS forms for users in the United States. Navigating the platform is easy, thanks to Koinly's intuitive user interface. Both novice and experienced users can quickly generate reports, benefiting from the platform's transparent and easy-to-understand transaction breakdowns. Koinly offers a variety of pricing plans, ranging from a free option with limited features for smaller users to premium plans designed for active traders and tax professionals requiring advanced functionalities like unlimited transactions and direct access to tax experts. Security is a top priority for Koinly. Robust encryption and secure data storage protocols protect your sensitive personal and financial information. Furthermore, their responsive customer support team is readily available via email and live chat to assist with any questions or concerns. In summary, Koinly proves to be a reliable and efficient crypto tax platform suitable for both individual investors and professionals. Its seamless integration with various exchanges and its ability to handle complex crypto tax scenarios make it an invaluable tool for maintaining tax compliance. Check out the links in the description below to explore Koinly and simplify your crypto tax reporting today.